welcome at the Disney vlog. Today we have another unboxing from Merch Queens. So this looks like a big box, but we also have stuff from Disney. So first I'm going to show you Universal Halloween Horror Nights. There's also a little bit from the pass holders. For now, we're going to start with Halloween Horror Nights. First thing is the biggest thing. I haven't seen it myself, so I'm going to look at it. There's a thing on Chucky there. Okay, I'm just gonna let it stay there, otherwise I'm going to damage it. So here we have the Halloween Horror Nights 2021 Universal Studios Florida sign. Oops. We have Chucky, Frankenstein's monster, and Jack the Clown, which is a horror icon for the event. Here we go. And it's made of wood. So you can place it anywhere. Just gonna lay it down real quick. Wrapping. I think this is the next one. There's so much stuff. It's stuff. So I think this is from the Universal pass holders. I'm going to unwrap it, otherwise it's going to be reflective. Here we go. So I think this is the retro design. They also have, I think, a jacket, lanyard. This is the pouch, and it's $5. Yes. Okay, let's put it next to it. That's heavy. What's so heavy in here? What is this? Can I open it? No? Okay. So we have a Universal pass holder coaster and a car coaster. I don't know what a car coaster is, but there are car coasters. So this one is $10. And I'm still trying to find out what a car coaster is, but I think it's just a magnet you place.
It's for the cup holder.
Oh!
It's a coaster for
so you put it in your cup holder. I don't have a car, so...
I don't know if it's working for European cars, but...
Yeah, okay.
We have to try.
Yeah, I've learned something today. So, that's a good thing. Okay. And I was talking about a lanyard, and here it is. Let me see how I'm going to display it for you guys. Oop, taking the... There we go. So here we have... Is my finger over there? So here we have... Oh my gosh, I'm looking at it upside down. I think that's the rocket. That's the entrance of Universal. And we got the Universal globe. I have no idea what this is. Let me see. I still don't know what it is. Huh? Must be a retro frame because I don't know what it's supposed to be. Let me see if it's on this. Oh, are they including Volcano Bay? Maybe.
I guess.
I think it's the waterfall of Volcano Bay. If it's not, correct me in the comments because it's the first time I've seen it. But it's an empty baggie. Bye, empty baggie. Ooh. Some more stuff. I'm going to put it right here. This one over here. So, there we go. Is it sharp now? Okay, let's continue. Oh my gosh. I've never seen a pin like this. It's like 3D and everything. It's so cute. I'm saying horror characters are cute. Okay. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's 3D. There's like dimensions in the characters, which I really like. Never seen that before. So this pen is $12. And it's from this. It's the same as the sign I showed you earlier. So it's Chucky, Frankenstein's monster, and Jack again. Going to put it next to the sign. And I think this must be the keychain. Wow. Universal makes good keychains and pins. So here we have the same thing, like the same logo with Chucky, Frankenstein's monster, and Jack. And on the back side it says Halloween Horror Nights 2021. And this one is also $14. To put it next to it. Oops.
Don't show the back.
What?
You
Oh, you want to see the bag? There we go. I don't know if you can zoom in on the back. It's like, yeah? Oh, I thought the camera wouldn't pick up. So cool. So I'm going to put it next to the other stuff. We're not there yet. So here we have another lanyard. I actually have two. Because I want to use one for my camera and I want to have one for my collection. So here we have the storyteller, Jack, of course. Let me see. I've got his name.
The director.
The director, thank you. Here we have Eddie. And I forgot that name as well. Because I
The
see
usher.
yeah, I see so many things. Like if I turn it this way, I can see Eddie. If
And
I
I'm
turn
not
it this
even a
way-
Halloween Horror Nights.
I mean, when I turn it this way, I see Eddie. When I turn it this way, I see the storyteller. So I'm like, whoa, too many details. So, and the caretaker. Everybody said the caretaker? Can't remember.
Is Chance not on it?
Don't know. That's because I haven't seen it properly. Okay, let's start with Eddie. Usher. Don't think so. Nope. Chance is not on there. Nope. So we have. Are you going to zoom in on this? We have 30 years and 30 fears. And when I turn it, it says Halloween Horror Nights. It doesn't say a year. So I think it was already made when COVID appeared. So this one is free because there's no price. Can't remember what they were. So you will see me carrying this around when I'm filming. Okay. And another pouch. The pouch is stuck. Just a sec. There we go. So here we have the Halloween Horror Nights pouch, 2021. And it also has the retro universal sign. This pouch is also $5. I think all the pouches are $5, right? Because this one was also $5. I don't buy that many pouches, so I don't know. It's stuck. Just a sec, because it's stuck. It's unstuck. There we go. Whoa, that's heavy. That's heavy. So here we have the same sign, but then for your car, which is not going into a car because we're not allowed to in the Netherlands. But this one is $20 and it's the same sign, only it's made of metal. And I'm distracted by what's it saying on the background, so nothing important. Oh, it looks really nice. I didn't know it was that heavy. And I also don't think this will gonna stay on my wall like this because it's so heavy. but I like them both. I'm going to put it right there. So I think that's it for Universal. No?
Three glasses.
I forgot the toothpick holder. It's the toothpick holder, right? I forgot what I bought already. But I'm still happy Angie and Talia was going to get this for me because I really wanted to go to Halloween Horror Nights, and it's the second year already that I have to let it go.
Hopefully we can make up for that next year.
Hopefully. And I also made a video about Halloween Horror Festival. That was at Movie Park. I will put the link in the description down below, so you can see how we Europeans do Halloween. In the Netherlands we don't have Halloween, by the way. So that was in Germany.
But we have a lot of amusement parks
amusement
also
parks,
do
but I
Halloween.
mean we don't do trick-or-treating. I think Germany does trick-or-treating.
We have St. Martin.
That's not the same.
No.
But that's okay. So here is really small. Is the toothpick holder. And
AK shot glass.
yep, it's basically a shot glass.
But in Disney World it's called toothpick holders. Universal just call them shot glasses.
Oh, didn't know that, but I wasn't paying attention to it. I was only paying attention to the design. So the same again with the Universal Horror Nights sign with Chucky, Frankenstein's monster, and Jack. And on the back side we've got Halloween Horror Nights 2021. This shot glass is $10 and it's made in Thailand. Just wanted to say that because it was said on the back. Yeah. So I'm going to put it right there. Oh gosh. I scrambled too many things around, so I think this is a glass. I don't see the other one. There were two glasses, right? Okay. I think this one. Okay, there we go. Talia did a great job with packing everything again. It's really grateful for, because sometimes you get stuff not from Merch Queens but from other stores that's like, this is your order, look at it. And it's like completely destroyed. She packed it even that nicely. I can't even. Just a sec, I'm just gonna do this. There we go. This is for Carlisle playing paper. There we go. Oh, whoops. Whoops. Playing paper for Carlisle. And there we go. Just gonna put that right there. So here we have.
I think if you put it back, you can see it better on the video.
Put it back. What do you mean put it back?
Inside the glass. Because
Oh.
la 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 la.
Like this? Okay. So here we have a glass. I think it's a, how do you call this? Juice glass?
A steamless wine glass.
A wine glass.
It's like
Oh, stemless wine
Yeah,
glass.
stemless.
Ah. No, I want. No, I'm kidding. I've almost thought it was a juice glass. But, okay. So this is the Beetlejuice house from Halloween Horror Nights. And, of course, by Tim Burton. There's the snake, the sand snake. The little snake in his mouth. And little skulls. And on the back side it says, I myself am strange and unusual. Which I am strange and unusual. So there you go. This glass says 2021. So I think that this wasn't supposed to be there last year. Do we still have room? Yes, we do. So this is the last thing? You sure? Okay. There we go. Okay. So this time I'm gonna keep the paper in there. Carlo's not getting so much plain paper. I'm just gonna store it for him. So let me see what's going on here. You want plain paper, Bora? She's like beep beep all the time. So next to our cat, I also have a parrot named Deborah. She wants to be noticed as well.
She loves to shred things.
Yeah, she loves the shredding thing. So here we have Beetlejuice as a snake. I'm gonna put it there. And Beetlejuice himself. And I forgot the two characters that do this. Just gonna call them the bride and the groom. They died in a movie. And they're trying to get around as ghosts. So this is their ghostly form. Which is not really scary, I think. So this glass is $12. So this one is more expensive, right? Nope, they're the same price.
Nice stuff.
Nice! So yeah, that's my Universal Halloween Horror Nights shopping spree. If I was there, I would have gotten all of this. I hope though. Last time I only got this jacket. So...
I think if you were there, you would have bought more clothes.
I can't... Well, I made a mistake in 2017 by just giving all my money to this jacket and then not buy all the other stuff. But yeah, we learn every day, so this is it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, leave a comment on which item you like the most, and maybe you're going to Halloween Horror Nights yourself. And yeah, consider subscribing if you haven't done so. I will see you next time. Bye bye!